Hey guys, Justin here at JHart Modelworks, coming to you with another shop card shout out video. Yes, we have another one. We've got 5 more shop cards. Like a whole bunch came in like right after the last shop card video. Lots to get through. Honestly, I'm tired. I am tired and wore out and overwhelmed, feeling very unproductive. I'm working mid-shift this week because the group that I'm in, we rotate who works the mid-shift, and so that's 10 in the morning to 8 o'clock at night. I didn't leave work until like 9 last night, and because I come in late, I have to park like a half mile away from the frickin' building and walk clear out to my car. I didn't get home until like nearly 11. Tons of stuff I need to do, including this video, so I'm getting this one done. The Pantera is done. The Pantera's been done for like a week and a half now. I've cut like 90% of the footage filmed. I just need to edit everything down and do like the little final spin around the turntable. I need to do an unboxing for the Challenger so I can get started on it, because I can't even start building anything until I do an unboxing video for it. I'm going to start working on some stuff and try to get some stuff knocked out this week or this weekend. Starting with shop cards, because like I said, I've got like 5 of these now. From some great guys, absolutely fantastic people. We are going to go ahead and get started with this one from Larry over at Larry's Model Shop. Awesome shop card, Larry. Very kind words on the back. I appreciate it greatly. I'm glad that, my videos have been able to help. That's been my goal on my channel, was just to pass on everything, because I've learned so much from so many great people that, my goal is just to help pass that knowledge on. So thank you very much, Larry. Larry's a new channel. I think he's got like just over 200 subs right now. So he's got some great stuff going on. He doesn't have a whole lot of videos. He's got some model videos and some one-to-one car stuff. He's currently working on a truck for the Scale Builds of Gentlemen. It's a great looking build, so go ahead and check Larry out. The next one, now I mentioned this guy in my last video, but his shop card finally came in, and that is Don from Don's Garage, the fat man from Alabama himself. Don is absolutely freaking awesome. Fantastic guy. He's got a beautiful 67 Chevelle that he just wrapped up. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous car. He also has a beautiful 34 Ford Coupe. It's blue. It's fantastic. Like, go check Don's work out. This man is, again, a fantastic builder. Check out Don. All the guys, on my videos, all the guys' links will be down there. They probably will pop up. They will always be down there as well. No one needs any introduction to this guy, because probably all of us owe our first like 50 to 100 subs to him, and that is Jeff from Jeff's Model Garage. And that sums up right there how I feel like all the time this week. He's working on a Triumph. I think he just finished up a yellow Triumph TR4. Absolutely cool little car. Love those little British sports cars. Fantastic build. Beautiful. That was for the small scale build. So he also sent me out some stickers. You guys know I love my stickers. We have the I didn't build it for your approval rat. Right there. We have the Jeff's Model Garage sticker, and I still love that shop car with the ferret feet. And that is a gorgeous build, by the way. I don't know if he meant to send this to me or if he meant to send that to old Charlie Mack, but yeah, I got a couple of those too. I got about 4 of those little stickers total. I got 2 of each, and that means I can put 2 on each one of my little build boxes. I have these boxes that I keep all my builds in, all my little parts and my decals, and everything can go in these little plano boxes. I think they're like little tackle boxes, I think is what they're supposed to be, but they make great kit storage boxes. So if you working on a project. Those are fantastic. Chris wants me to do a video on them, and you know, I might. That might be something we do when I'm not feeling like I'm drowning. Next up, we have Chris from CB Modelworks. Chris, thank you for the kind words on the back. I appreciate them, brother. And this guy, I didn't even realize it. This guy is like 20 or so minutes away from me. We live on opposite sides of the same metropolitan area down here in Texas. Awesome shop card. Some beautiful builds on there. He's got a 71 Olds 442, looking great. He's also got a Skyline, a really nice looking Skyline. I think it's one of the R34s. Everyone does those cars, the newer Skylines, in midnight purple, and it's like a cliche. Everyone does it. He did his in black, and so props to you, Chris. My respect for not doing the cliche midnight purple. And this last one, this guy is awesome. And this build is awesome. It's Butch from Butch's Basement Builds. And some people may not like that, but I think that mottled green paint job is absolutely freaking cool. It's really unusual. It's not something you see every day. And the patterns on it are fantastic. This whole build is fantastic. But yeah, Butch from Butch's Basic Builds. I believe he's another one of my favorite builds on his channel. He's got a Model T that's looking fantastic. So go ahead and check that out. Go ahead and give him a check out and a subscribe. All of these guys are absolutely fantastic. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. Like I said, on the Pantera, I need to just record the final little spin on the turntable. I also need to get some photos because I don't have any beauty shots for the Facebook page. And then I've just got to sit down and edit it, and that's going to take several days to edit the video. I started with everything painted. Like all the parts were there, everything was painted, and I got ready to, I set everything up to go ahead and start building it and realized that I had lost one of the brakes, so I had to go 3D print another set of brakes. But I do have, like I said, I've got everything videoed. I just got to put it all together. So my plan is to just do like a start to finish from everything painted, just build the kit up. There's not much to the kit anyhow, so I've said it multiple times now, but realistically, I actually did a parts count, and I have more 3D printed parts than I have kit parts. Now, the fact that the wheels, the tires, the brake rotors, and the brake calipers are all separate and are all 3D printed, so that's 16 parts right there. But yeah, I've put some 3D printing into this, and I think that I've managed to spruce that kit up a bit. So that's going to wrap it up for the shop card video. All these guys are fantastic builders. Check them all out. Give them a sub. Give them, you know, a check out. Watch their videos. There's some great stuff down there. Awesome inspiration stuff. Some of these guys, like I said, have one-to-one stuff that just, it's eye candy. It's great stuff to check out. And the builds, the actual scale model builds are fantastic as well. So thanks for hanging out with me, guys, and I will catch you on the next one.